trying to chuck the necklace. I'm young, hungry, armed, and reckless. On the streets where the death was. Don't hide when you see me, I'm on the guest list. Show no mercy, BK. Thursday, we bang hollows. You misrepresenting the game. I get lame in your chain hollows. Hit him, flip him. Yeah, your chain. Smash the lens in your specs. Listen, it's Lil Baby right with that brown slimmer mentality. Hey, yo, I'm talking out of Drop One Town City with a whole empire. Full of blue chips and a handful of fire. Easy dirt. Yeah, it's broke. You put it work up till it hurt. Step easy out the truck, punk. For a leak on flicking. I went back to the spring till this thing starts tweaking. Boom, black. What's wrong with you? Yeah, that boom. Kidnap that boom. It's the perfect timing. You see the man shouting. You ain't get no one damn shouting. Yeah, that boom. Kidnap that boom. Get him. Yeah, boom, yeah, boom, yeah.
Y'all know me, this ain't no cheese, up in no most these with no cheese, no pills and no keys, no wheels and no keys, no more pills and no cheese. Mad at me, cause I can finally afford to provide my family with groceries. John Crystal studio in the saw full of tracks, to add to the wall full of blacks, hanging up in the office and back of my house like trophies. You don't think I'ma let my dough freeze? Please, you better bow down on both knees. Who you think taught you smoke trees? Who you think brought you the ODs, Easy E's, Ice Cubes and DOCs, the strip deal double G's, and the group that said what the fuck the police. Gave you a check for the dope beat, the bar when you strolled through in your hood. And when your album sales wasn't doing too good, who's the doctor they told you to go see? Y'all better listen up closely. Are you that said that I turn pop on the word flop? Y'all are the reason that Drake ain't big, get no sleep. So y'all, all of y'all, if y'all don't like me, blue, y'all gonna keep around with me and turn me back to the old me.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, but they got something to say. It never comes out when they move their lips. It's about the gibberish. The motherfuckers out there talk about drugs. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, but they got something to say. It never comes out when they move their lips. It's about the gibberish. And what's that? They forgot about drugs. So what do you say to somebody you hate? What? If anyone trying to bring trouble your way, one of his gold chains gonna flood your way. Just trying to get saved from NWA. One day I was walking by with a walking on. When I caught a guy, give me an awkward eye. The mark in the parking lot, but it's dark and I give a fuck if it's dark or not. I'm harder than me trying to park or die. But I'm talking start right next to a humongous truck in a 2-car garage. Hopping out with 2 fucking eggs, trying to walk it off. Fuck you, call the cops. I'ma kick you in them now. Barking dogs. I'm going to me, Dre stood next to a burned down house. With a can full of gas and a handful of matches.
Still won't find out.
Right here, from here on out, it's a good tune. Starting the day, it's a mother new. And I'm still welcome enough to
Slim Shady, something between babies. When the mean don't stop, when the thing don't stop, when the mean ladies. I'm a mean ladies.
Sorry, Dad, but I've been crazy. If the way it was take me, it's okay, go ahead, lady.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, but they got something to say. It never comes out when they move the lips. What about dread? Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, but they got something to say. It never comes out when they move the lips. Doing something to me, you stop coming up to me with your hands out, looking up to me like you want something free. When my last CD was out, you wasn't bumping me, but now that I got Snoop globally, everybody wanna come to me like it was some disease. So you better get a crumb for me, cause I'm from the street. I saw them all. All you gangsters, who you think y'all know them all? Now you wanna run around talking about guns like I ain't got none. We think I saw them all, cause I been on all. Now all I get is hate mail all day. So praise the Lord. I've been in the lab, put a pin in the tab, trying to get this on the blaze of Lord. I ain't having that. The millennium of rapping that. It ain't gonna be nothing after that. So give me one more platinum plaque and rap, you can have it back. So where's all the mad rappers at? It's like a jungle in this habitat. With all you savage cats, throw it up. We were cuddling the cabbage patch.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, but they got something to say. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. It's a bunch of gibberish and none of that. What about that? Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, but they got something to say. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. It's a bunch of gibberish and that. Forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, but they got something to say. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. It's a bunch of gibberish and that. But they forgot about Dre.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride. It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebola FM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efan Shuku, aka Meta.
And Crazy FUMNR, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5.
That guys, soft work. Sex, I've been in beat, you know, when we had talent. They say we the show, girl, it's a damn habit. No struggle to collect best status. Best class, so we who collect best fashion. Give me this ecstasy with our expertise. We call it shot club. You go check bodies, I just smell heavy. I don't feel lifestyle, you go feel lavish. Foreign girls in my house, I did less Spanish. And the French girls tell me show my friend daddies. I just look for more electricity. Baby, come find girls like we have bodies. Baby, jump our go if it's sweat daddies. We came through in a Mercedes. Mama, look at how we made it. Hey, they need to look on some ladies. Yeah, we did turn up on the baby. We came through in a Mercedes. Hey, Mama, look at how we made it. They need to look on some ladies. Yeah, we did turn up on the baby. It's our work, yeah, soft work, yeah, it's our work, yeah, soft work, yeah, it's our work. The life we chose, I could have been a chamber. No regrets, this money paid fast. We get the drive, we get all the paid fast. Trust nobody, real niggas stay scarce. This my body will get trash. You the copy cutter, you don't dey claim rights. But you know, say that one are the main cash. If you army rubber, your people dey sad. Which is our manners, cash and etiquette. Mature money, and I ain't even 30 yet. I know your face, but I can't remember where we met. Now just college, the power with the hand get. Stories that touch from a real life angle. I from the midnight candle in the law school, so I could be called Cuba. Now I'm a rap star, mommy I'm popular. We came through in a Mercedes. Mama, look at how we made it. Hey, they literally call some ladies. Yeah, we did turn up on the daily. We came through in a Mercedes. Hey, Mama, look at how we made it. They literally call some ladies. Yeah, we did turn up on the daily. It's our work. Yeah, soft work. Yeah, it's our work. Yeah. Working hard, but we hardly working. When you find girls, them start to twerking. You go cross like Bruno. Can we go to the backside? I mean, yeah, I show up, I mean, all these. We are now big, so we can now pretend. We can now find a style, we can now be friends. But you don't know the game in toto. You want to try luck, maybe you will win lotto. Even real talent, God still need promo. If you fake your own get, you still no blow. But me want my tole role play, Tony logo. I'm on to yellow bean, secret at the same logo. The damn said I already know Steve Coco. Cause I don't have many power to defeat Zobo. We came through in a mistake.
Can't do it, I'm a mistake.
Look at how we made it.
Mama, look at how we made it.
Cross some ladies.
Obola Belle Throwback Thursday edition of Birthday Splash Nebona and the 103.5 FM. Soft work. You have to go. It's our work. Yes, it's our work, Nebona and the 103.5 FM to make you happy this morning at this particular edition of Birthday Splash. Nebona and the 103.5 FM and Otua Kaisa Mabata no Totua. Oponumu Wakana Metal. Yes, we are in the building. Lewo wiki vilo kaimaze kosi ade no Totua vo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Some days, Ebana Bagasi Club on a very good day. You got Fugasi some men Gabo on a very good day. Ndolozo, Adodo Yabuanyaka on a very good day. Lock, what's up there here? Can be feeling in a John today and Yamegum. Yeah, whatever me webuna in the process, if you the same person I do or not ever an form of a big boy, or I say so you are talking to me like this. I would treat you at this town on a very good day. Whenever I put you about what my friend, give me my money. In the other room, you were saying a lot of things, okay? And I am a Busta Rhymes situation ante up. Yotago with MOP no tutu againa pesa ya be based on the throwback Thursday cause I go the Yotago. Yes, on your laws or can I super still the guy I put you no kukuyo no pool na call and I swear you go to sell. On your laws they will leave now we got how time in if you go to make them kita. Yeah, or now money get you trouser kita. Now another bar for me on a form. And I see okay, you're holding my shirt, have you? On our form look Galadima, Yotago, now form see Ikeo because in I am the name Galadima will cause sound or sound or Konyo Bilewa, Yotago, Manomaze in a Galadima for Mustafa, Liposo. Yotago, no one for Mustafa. Akuko Oti or Juno Totua, we have a lot of things to talk about. Yotago, and we'll get into all of it in the jiffy. But right about it, I need to go to celebrate Kendi, can celebrate the Tata for the great day, 7th day of March 2024. Akuko Oti Boju. Yes, kind of quote but you are very good. Don't want to somewhere and I say, Madame or Chupopa. I went and gave him a tiny who to try. Yes, this morning I gave you to go with a celebration of Ndi Kendi celebrate right about Ketafo. You have to go and the first person I get celebrate Ketafo, American comedian, writer, actress, and voice artist. You know, in case you don't know, Obonine so the Daily Show. You have to go Trevor Noah and knock at her step was out. And how this woman that hold way down, they host to the show for a while. You have to go before another, host to at the end of the day, and we're talking about Wanda Skies, born March 7th, 1964. In Portsmouth. So we say happy birthday to her right about now. Happy birthday is unfolding Ketafo. You have to go get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Just another year, getting behind you are the best. I love you for the rest. Yes, Kaide Kukwaya Befe, Ayejikwa Keta, we celebrate John Heard, actor, American film and television actor, born March 7th, 1945 in Washington, D.C. So we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday is unfolding Ketafo. Get involved. Let's celebrate you. Can they find a celebrator around you? Birthday, anniversary. We are here to celebrate with you. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Join us on Facebook as we're live at Ebona at the 103.5 FM. Drop your comment on the comment section of the live video right there. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. The years may come and the years may go. Yes, today is also the birthday of Valentina Shevchenko,
a fighter, mixed martial artist, Okonwani, born March 7th, 1988. So we celebrated this morning. Happy birthday is unfolding right about Ketafo. And right now, we are going to celebrate. Get involved. We need to celebrate you. Can they find a celebrator around you? We are here to celebrate with you this morning. Today is also the birthday of Bryan Cranston. Born March 7th, 1956. He is an American actor and director born in Hollywood. So we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday is unfolding. Ketafo. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Yes, if we go Naya, but I'm going to Ketafo, kind of celebrating Dike celebrating a Niger today, or the important Banaiga Mayabu celebration. Kaina, but somebody no new go. Now, Buhari was our father. I don't say my brother, you look to speed. I say yes, I know you're a Bonya, my bobo, only when you do that for the former president. I said the Buhari was our father. That he could not believe when I gave me Buhari. Yatago, Malketa, they miss Buhari can not call again. I try Makakini, Yatago, also no, Jagaban at the end of the day. Also, na Buhari Jumaya were not punished. But these days, Nankana for right about Ketafo, no way goes well, a lot of things to talk about. But I can celebrate Ndike celebrate it today. Now, birthday splash. Now, born at the 103.5 FM. Yes, today, the 7th day of March. When you think of the man, you can only think of a lion. And any lion or just anyhow lion, not Lion King. So we are talking about the man. A lot of things here to be over time. A broadcaster, an actor, excellence. We are talking about Pet Edochie, born March 7th, 1947 in Enugu, Nigerian actor. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, it is here, but we need to celebrate him. So we celebrate him this morning.
Years may go, but I don't think that we already know. But in our hearts, love will grow.
Yes, today is also the birthday of Nwandu Achebe, a historian born March 7th, 1970 in Enugu. So we say happy birthday to her right about now. Happy birthday is unfolding. Get involved now. Let's celebrate you as well. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035. Today is also the birthday of Kelechi Nwanaga, born March 7th, 1996. He's a Nigerian athletics competitor. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, get involved. Let's celebrate you. Right about now. at least go obodo na inwere onye ga celebrate ya tagodo mabata n'ụtụtụ anyị celebrate godo Ogadagidi otu o si adị n'ụtụtụ afọ, and it's about time as we proceed to give you what you need, the satisfaction nke bụ somewhere the godo mbada guarantee and never we bụ n'ebe ọ na-adị FM is time. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Akụkọ otikpoju awesi akwuo gịnị ife kwu n'ụtụtụ a wee na-akọwa na ihe gbasara social media na anyị ga na-pay attention yọtago na the opportunities that abound still abound. Ihe gbasara online, all of those things, the way it gives us opportunity to affiliate, marketing and all of that. Facebook, Instagram, but right about now, everything is getting back to normal. So we must always tap into those opportunities. Opportunity I will my book and hip hop and Igbo culture by yours faithfully Martin. Check it out on Amazon.com. Opportunities about. Just opening Malaki is Maya Bepa Bulia, the Panebona, the 103.5 FM. If I get and and I go on and keep as one, and therefore, the candidacy of some people in where the opportunity to represent properly. Someone can also represent on a very good day, and only see from the sizes. So and any who from the sizes on a very good day. The capacity of the brain. On a very good day. I say not the possible. In the instead of the sometimes because na Chineke nyela two ends. You have to go two ends and keys the head and the tail. When you talk about the head, we are talking about if you're using it to think or you Chineke where the for, and then when you pass the tail, and that one is for the exit. You have to go. Some people change the process. Well, the exit you replace the head. Now, well, the tail will go to head. They use the tail for if they use it for head. Not thinking of all of those things. If hotia, you have to go. Oboni hotalia man, you question hotia. This morning is unfolding. Akoko Otikpoju. We have a lot of things to talk about right about now, and let's get into it. Yes, the first story I Juama Batano Toto Awebolo birthday, which is still yesterday. Papa Davido, the billionaire father of Davido, clock was 68 years old. So the Afrobeat star came out celebrating his father, Adedeji Adeleke, and Nioku also happy just because the Nangos at the end of the day. So much all the bigger, so there's the handles also just because the Nangos at the end of the day. Oh yeah, Mazipone could be about we celebrating as well. I may celebrate Papa Davido. You have to go Ebelone Benicia. I ask Nakin get what I mezu. Nah, Jesus. Amen. One no I can where Papa Davido no boss at all.
My name celebrate I like in a Chineke and easier also when they celebrate and they go see them always go na more maka ụmụana ezinụlọ na ndị obodo ya in general, so I na Chineke gozie ya.
Okay, all the go kosa de ibatakwazi n'ụtụtụ 1035 right about it up. I want to go one message say good morning to you Sam Metal and Lady Classic. It's still me, the youngest Frayo from Unkole Iznaka, also High Chief Onowu Ndi Uduma. Now Unkole Iznaka, and I'm wishing all the celebrants of today a happy birthday, and most especially today I'm celebrating 12th year marriage anniversary today, and my prayer is that the Almighty God will continue to bless me and my family with every good thing in this life and more bagam to my account to take care of my whole family. Sameta, we move. Otu ako say my brother, na kwade bagam jide. Nke a the first bagam yota go maka ikwu bagam ito, but I na ekpebele n'isi nwunye gị na-asị na Chineke ga-eduba unu otu unu si nọdụ otu akụ ngesi wee nọgidezie forever. Yota go ahead na move on happily ever after ka anyị na-ekpe n'isi unu. N'aha Jesus, amen. Never the second bagam jidekwa my brother. In the process, you get one quarter the third, but we keep moving because none gets let's move, and we are moving right about now. Yes, upward chinine ka ga celebrate International Women's Day. Manakita yotago naka amapotagone a lot of things we sensitize our people about the way women must be treated. Yotago about naka ne kuya be when nejele anya from ebe pharmacy a walk. Pawena ko na ihe kale. If I find a chief ya na ekwu okwu akita afọ that na out of 10 people living with HIV, yotago na why they involved so much. At the entire thing. I say na obolo na calculate of mana out of 10 people who HIV. You know, and 6 out of them born one. The amount of black women who have HIV is so much. Also passes other tribes, other race. Also passes at the end of the day. So how I know we have been on a very good day. The National Agency for the Control of AIDS said as the agency commemorates this year's International Women's Day, it highlighted that young women are 3 times more likely to encounter life-threatening health challenges compared to men in the same age group. And the NACA Director General Gambo Aliu said this year's theme is Invest in Women, Accelerate Progress. In the process of when you put it that promoting, he is dedicated to promoting gender equality and tackling unique challenges encountered by women living with HIV/AIDS. Noting that 6 out of 10 persons living with HIV/AIDS in the country are females. Aliu stressed the need to invest in women. Investing in women is not just a financial commitment, it is an investment in the sustainable progress. Awareness.
Yes. Hard strong. They are going through a lot, but it will affect that they get when they celebrate some why and they create awareness some of the issues that affect especially HIV and the AIDS and all these womb. But here the neighbor na ha personally take care of themselves. Because somewhere get melahaya mobile hair memory. So which had any hope na ha name water that in their own life matter. 2. Now when you rotate for her, the hacker mother, head, a how don't get her EB and the uncle got contributes. So no matter you open a name and come, Hannah take care of themselves and continue with their life. Now had impact in our society, yes.
Anyway, all the go quiz the Ebatano to a feel on a even when we look at it, from that perspective, when we reason how you work out of 10 people, we have na 6 yotago go one. Out of 10 where HIV, and 6 one. And when you na a half on that is when Kayabe cause and to combat it, not just someone now, to combat it generally. It will also be an opportunity for us to tell the young